Okay, this is going to be about 100 feet from there, way up there by the wood fence, down to this pole. And so all I've done so far is put the poles in, posts in. I've got a couple more to put in. Stretch the wire out, start it up there. Hook it to the post here temporarily with the bungee cords. I have to come up here and hook it to this pole first. I'm going to use clamps around the pole and hook these to the pole. And then I'll stretch it tight down there to that pole. And I'm wiring this end to the tension bar before I stretch it. We're on a hill here, so these are not going to be straight up and down with this because we're on a hill and the fence is going downhill. So what I do is I take the piece that's running lengthwise in the fence and I wrap it around. So this piece here get wrapped around. Go around once or twice and then I wrap it around the wire itself. And just kind of keep going like that. Hey, here's the setup I have to tension this fence. I've got my tractor here and the backhoe's sticking behind the tree here, resting against the tree. Put a chain on it and I come along to a chain, and I'm clamping the fence with two 2x4s, 4-foot long 2x4s, two of those, 3 bolts through them, and the fence is sandwiched in between, so it's Goes right in between there and clamps it in there, and I just have the chain going around the center. So when I pull the come along, it will stretch the fence out. Right now the fence is laying like that. It's all wired off to the other end. So now we're just going to set it up and tension it up. Okay, let's start pulling and see what happens. Alright, well, we got some tension on it. I've got a cable here to strengthen the top of this pole. I've wired all that on. I put 2 tension rods on here. Wired all that on. It's got a lot of tension on it now. Need to put all the clips on. Yeah, I'm going to put one more post right here. This is more than 8 feet right here. That post to this one is more than 8. Might put another one in between here. Haven't decided yet. Probably don't need one. Probably won't put one in. So what it looks like from down here. Get the sun out of our face. Woodpecker. Put some of these clips on now. I don't think I have enough to do the whole thing today, but so that's next. Put the clips on. Ooh, woodpecker. Right there. Those big red-headed woodpeckers. These are the clips we're working with. Got a bag of them here. And that's what they look like. And I bought this tool years ago to use to put them on with, and I'll show you how to use that. It's got a hole in it. It's got a straight bar and a hole. I can show you how that tool works. It's worth buying one of those if you're going to do a lot of these. This is how you put on the wire clips. I do one down from the top, and I count 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Put it on the 3rd one down, which is really 1, 2, 3, the 4th one down. So the top one is 1 down. The next one down is 3 down from that. And I go 1 from the bottom, 1 up from the bottom, and 3 up from that one. And this tool makes it a lot easier to do. Looks like that. Has a hole in it. And it's just a bar. So this pole is for a chain link fence. And so is this. And brace this pole at the end here where I have my wire fence tied off to. I put a brace down to the bottom of that pole. I just used a tension rod to wire my fence onto the pole with these brackets right here. And I put a top clip on every one of them. Every one of these got a top clip all the way down after I put tension on the fence. Then I came back and did the other 3. All right, she's done. This is a pole from a chain link fence and a top pole that I used for a brace down to the bottom of this post. Keep that pole from tipping in. The fence is all tensioned up now. So my wooden fence ends up there, right there, and then this is all 100 feet here of wire fence. And then I have the same arrangement up there with a pole on the end that's from a chain link fence and a top pole that I use for a brace down to that first T-post. And this is all tensioned up. I've got 4 clips in each one. One down from the top, 1 up from the bottom, then counted 3 up and put 1 there, and 3 down and put 1 there. So I've got 4 clips in each pole or post. So it's nice and tight. Another project done. On to the next one.